Welcome to HYCM Insight. Today I'm going to reveal how to use the Seasonax screener to reveal which stocks are entering into a very strong seasonal period in the upcoming days. How does the screener work? Well, with just a couple of clicks, you can see very strong signals for more than 25,000 individual stocks, currency pairs, indices, as well as commodities that just can be identified within a few seconds. So what you have to do, firstly, choose your market. So in this instance, let's go over to the screener and let's have a look at the DAX, for instance. So we're going to look at the DAX, and we're going to then set our limits. So let's look at starting for a seasonal pattern from the 13th of December, the history of the data. We want to look in the last 15 years. And then we're looking for a minimum and max period of like 5 to 30 days. And that's the last step. So we can just now filter our screen results. And you can see here we have a whole list of different potentials. And here we see Siemens, for instance, that has, over the last 15 years, we can see that between December the 13th and December the 31st, Siemens has risen 12 times out of 15 years. Average return has been 3.43%. Largest gain in 2008 with a very impressive 17.71% profit. Largest loss in 2018 when the Fed were looking at raising interest rates quicker than the market thought was sensible. And an 80% win rate ratio. So don't forget that HYCM clients can access this Seasonax product in order to analyze over 25,000 different pairs, indices, commodities, as well as individual stocks. So please do contact your account manager for a free trial so you can get started right away. The obvious major trade risk for this stock would be if the COVID Omicron variant fears remain, then there may be further falls in stock markets as we approach the year end.